How to fix the headphone accommodations is set to off or disable in the control center on the iPhone running iOS 18. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then at the top here, swipe down to open up the control center. And if you do not have the headphone accommodations widget in the control center, you can add it in by tapping on the add button at the top. Then you go down and tap on add a control. Then in the control list, we scroll down and then go to the hearing accessibility and tap on headphone accommodation to add it to your control center. After that, tap anywhere to close it. Now you can see when I tap on it, it shows headphone accommodations off. So what happened is that you need to go into settings and turn on or activate the headphone accommodations feature. So we go into settings. Then in settings, we scroll down and tap on accessibility. Next, we scroll down and tap on audio and visual. In here, tap on headphone accommodations and make sure you tap on the toggle button to turn it on. Once this is turned on, you can pull down the control center and tap on headphone accommodations. And in here, you see you'll be able to control headphone accommodations for phone or media. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.